So hello friends. So today's video we are just going to discuss about the stairs in Revit. So we are creating means one series of short videos of Revit. So you understand in the complete detail of it, the stairs in Revit. Okay. So now before that I'm just creating one floor here in first floor. Okay. Now I will check how many floors I have here. Go to the elevation, two floors. Okay. So now the first floor is this one. Okay, now copy this floor any distance. Okay, like fifth floor and sixth floor, and you can make like 36. We do it 5000. Oh sorry, 5000 from here. So we can do here 5000. This one is 6000 and this one is 6000. Okay, and this one is we will do 3000. Correct. So we do not have a same height of the floors, so here it would be best understanding of stairs. So I have this floor, I am copy this floor on the all floors. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now all floors is here. Now you can see in 3D. Okay, so all floors we will connect by the stairs. So now go to the first floor. Okay, go to the architecture part and stair. Now in the beginning we will understand the stairs, straight stairs. Okay, so what is that, how it works. Okay, after that we will learn landing, support, spiral, semi spiral, L and U and by the creation. So in the first video of this series, there is we are talking about the stair straight. So the first stairs is, you see here, level base level is level 1, top level should be the second level always. Okay, if you want any other level you can change, like see I am doing here one stair. Okay, like this also I can make. So I made this stair. Okay, now if you will see from here, it is up to this level. Okay, I am doing one more stair here. This is okay. Go to the stair. Okay, now level I'm changing 3. As I change I 3. Okay, so desired number of riser is 50, means if you will go up to the 3 level, so the numbers you need 50 risers. How you decide this 50 and how the Revit is just deciding the 50? When you will go here, there is a riser height. See, this is 178. So according to the height, if you will go here, this is from here 86 double hundred whatever. Okay, so go to your Excel sheet or calculator. See, it's a 8600. Okay, divided by what is the riser height, we checked here 178. According to the 178 riser height, how much? 48.3, means exact is just calculating 49. You understand? So it's always tell us according to the calculation. First thing. Second thing, if I create here, so this stair will be created from the level 1 to the level 3. If you want to check, see here. See, if I'm taking this, like, see how many numbers of risers. See, it's going directly from level 1 to level 3. Okay, so like this, whenever you need any levels, you have to choose the levels there. Now I'm deleting this one so you understand, I hope. Now in the second talk we will discuss about that. I made this stair. Okay, there is a property inside of it also. Okay, this is a 21 risers. Okay, now you go here, make it 150. Okay, the tread depth you can change 300 or whatever you want. You also can change from here. Okay, apply and okay, you can change here 300, no problem. Okay, so now the riser tread depth will be changed. Now he's here. Okay, so when we will discuss about this one, I'm creating one section here. Okay, so section will show us complete detail. See, okay, automatically railing will be here. So railing we will discuss after. First we are only discussing about the stairs. Okay, now when we see the 3D, you can check this is the 3D. But in 3D, when I'll do it realistic, in 3D you see is look like this, and no stair is looking like this. Okay, you getting? Is hollow like that. So you can see this is the only for the visibility. But now you can change this stair here, monolithic stair. Okay, now this is looks like this. Okay, again go here in section. This is one section and this is more sections is here, this one. Okay, and I'm doing here in wireframe. So see, this is your stair is not correcting with this slab, is it down. Okay, so there is a two type of procedure you can use here. First, go here. Okay, or go to the edit stair. Okay, when you will select it, okay, it will show you here. Suppose if you will increase here, so it will change their position. Okay, if you go back, here is increasing, here is decreasing. If you will go here, increasing and decreasing. So according to that you can choose. First thing. Second thing is, if you want to means make more risers here, so you want to connect up to here. So the two things is, here is 3600. Okay, this is, so we can make it here. First check, go to the annotation, go here and check up to here 171. Okay, now directly what I'm doing, typing here 3771. Oh, so it directly will be connected. Okay, first thing. Second thing is, suppose this is 3600. Okay, now you can do one thing, pick this point, increase this point, automatically it will be connected. One rises will be increased, so perfect your stair will be there. Okay, now it's directly connecting here. Okay, we need here one shaft. Okay, so the stair will be, we can make properly. Okay, so go here in architecture. Okay, and make this. Okay, connection, go to architecture, make a shaft, take rectangle from here to anywhere, then we can make it. Okay, also you can do this one. Now this is the shaft. Go here in elevation, you can see this is the shaft. Shaft means what, you can see here is the opening. Okay, go here, select your shaft, pick it up to, and you can directly go here, connect to the level top 6. So automatically it will be connect and deduction for the stair. Okay, so I hope you understand this stair up to here. So in section we can check is connecting or not. Here is this, according to the shaft is not connecting. Okay, so what you will do, because bottom part is connecting, top part is not connecting. Okay, so we have to make this. Go to edit. Okay, select this one is up to here or anywhere. Connect this one is here, here and here. Now we can go to the section and see. You got it? So now is exact on point. You see? Okay. So I hope you understand this stair and use your drawing. It will be work for you. Okay. In next tutorial we will go after what is the step after it for the stair.